all right. You are welcome. Perfectly welcome. Can anyone hear me? Can you hear me? If you can hear me, just type one in the comment section. Type one in the comment section so that I know you can hear me. Okay? All right. All right. You're welcome. So, we're going to be starting immediately. We're starting immediately. We're starting immediately. All right. I can see one is coming. All right. Who is excited? Who is excited and ready, expectant and ready to go with so much value today? Okay. All right. Okay. You're perfectly welcome. Everyone, you are perfectly welcome to today's session. So, and in this particular session, we're going to be looking at the AI powered Facebook ads webinar blueprint. Okay, so this is actually what we're going to be doing in today's class. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, we're going to go in immediately. All right, we're going to go immediately. So I'll share my screen and then we'll start immediately. Okay, so if you can see my screen, just type one in the comment section. If you can see my screen, type one. If you can see my screen, type one. So I know that everybody is seeing me. Okay. All right. All right. So let's start immediately. All right, everyone, you are perfectly welcome. And I'm really excited to have you right here tonight. So, what we're going to be covering tonight in this webinar is going to be a practical system, step by step guide. All right, and it's going to be an eye opener for you because today I'm going to be showing you how to use AI to create high converting Facebook ads, how to create winning ad copy and creatives with AI easily, how to test and optimize your ads without wasting money, and how to scale once you find a winning ad. I'm also going to be showing us how Facebook new AI direction works, including the AI Andromeda, how the changing of advertising is affecting businesses, and how we are going to take advantage of it in this class today. Okay, so but more importantly, I want to show you something many people never understand. Most people think Facebook ads starts with ads manager. That is wrong. Facebook ads does not start with ads manager. A lot of people make that mistake. Okay, so Facebook ads starts with offer. It starts with your structure, it starts with your funnel, your campaign strategy, and your ad structure. These are some of the variables that determines how well your Facebook ads is going to do. All right. One of the things a lot of people leave out is your scaling plan. A lot of people don't have a scaling plan when they run Facebook adverts. So if those things are weak, even the best of ads is going to struggle. In the pre-recorded video I sent before this particular webinar that I told us to watch, I made mention of some things inside where I said if you have a good ad, weak structure, your ad will still struggle. If you have a weak ad, good structure, you might better get some results. So before you go to a Facebook ads manager to run your ads, you have to first of all get your structure, your offer, your funnel, your campaign strategy, your ad structure, and your scaling plan ready. Okay, excuse me. So in this training, I'm going to break every single thing down in very simple language, so even a beginner can understand. You will understand exactly what to do first, what to do next, and how to think about Facebook ads the right way. And at the end of this webinar, everyone will be getting access to AI assistant systems. Number one is Clarity AI system. Number two, OfferStack AI system. Now, this will actually help you get clearer on what to sell, how to position your business, and what structure makes sense for you. The OfferStack AI system will help you create and structure a strong and more valuable offer, high converting offer for your product or service. And I will show you how we do it live here in this training. So stay with me till the end, because if you miss the ending, you will miss so many important benefits in this particular training. So this is what we're going to be learning in this particular training. Today, by the end of this webinar, you will understand how to use AI to support your Facebook ads process from beginning to the end. You understand how to create ad copies and creative faster. You understand what to test first. You also understand how to optimize without guessing. Understand how to scale winning ads instead of constantly restarting your ad system. And most importantly, you will understand the five key things that must be in place before you even open Ads Manager. So if you have ever spent money on ads and got poor results, or you've been confused about how to structure your ads properly, this webinar is for you. So this webinar is for business owners, coaches, e-commerce sellers, and even beginners who want to understand Facebook ads in a simple and practical way. So whether you are selling a digital product, physical product, coaching program, consulting service, or any type of offer, what I'm teaching today will help you think more clearly and market better. All right, so before we move ahead, I'll not waste much time on this. Who am I? Now, let me quickly introduce myself and tell you why you should listen to me. My name is Cornelius Ogoro, and I'm a business owner. I help business owners, coaches, and entrepreneurs to generate more sales using Facebook ads, smart offer positioning, and better sales system. This is not just theory for me, it is practical work. This is what I do. I've been able to help clients generally to scale over 50 million in revenue in less than 4 months. So I'm going to be showing us practically in this particular section how we are able to generate some of those results. So these are some of the results we've gotten from my clients, from me, a lot of them. But I'm not here to show you results. I'm not here to show you um, results. We are here to actually get practical steps and system. Before we dive in, there's something I would like to share. This is an interesting part. Now, the thing here is that I was able to close deal recently over 2 million naira in sales of my high ticket program with just two people alone. And this particular story will actually blow your mind. So what happened? In doing that, I realized something very important. Sometimes your ads is not really your ads problem. Sometimes your ads The problem you have is your structure, not an ads problem. Within the course of the time of waiting for this particular training, I've been able to speak with some of us in the group. A lot of us, even some people even um, booked a call, all right, one of our call section, and we were able to speak. So I was able to see what they were doing and look into their system. And I noticed that a lot of them actually have a structure issue, not actually an ads issue. So why am I sharing this? Why I'm sharing this is that sometimes the problem you have is not majorly your ads problem. Sometimes it could be your structure. For example, if you are using a domain, because this is one of the things I discovered recently over time, if you are using a .com.ng domain, you don't even know what you're actually doing to yourself. Now, let me say someone in the UK sees your ads, they are interested, they click, and they cannot load the page properly or go through your system or buy whatever product you are selling. You have just lost a sale. And that matters because many Nigerians in diaspora buy products for family back home, buy digital products, pay for coaching, and pay for services while they are in diaspora. From there, even to people in Nigeria here, I'm telling you. So when you limit your global reach by using the .com.ng domain, you notice that people in the US cannot actually pay or even load the particular website because of that domain alone. So it's better off you use the .com domain and a US data center domain. So when your structure is limited, your revenue is also limited. And that is why I want you to understand this clearly. Before you go into ads manager, you must first build the logic, the business logic behind your ad. Now, before you go into ads manager, you need the big idea. And when I mean the big idea, I mean the big idea. Number one, before you go into ads manager, build the business logic behind the ad. That means be clear on your offer, be clear on your funnel, be clear on your strategy, be clear on your ad structure, and be clear on your scaling plan. These are some of the things you need to put in place before you now say, okay, I want to go and build in the ads manager. When you get these things right, then AI can now help you do those things faster and better. The ads manager becomes easier. So let me show you the 5 stages I want you to think through before running an ad. Number one, your offer must be clear. Number two, your funnel or customer journey must be clear. Number three, your campaign must be clear. The campaign strategy you are using must be clear. Number four, the structure must be clear. Your scaling strategy and budget allocation must be clear. If you get these 5 things, your ads become stronger. If you ignore these 5 things, you're going to lose money and keep losing money. And that's it. So, these are the 5 stages. Let's start with stage one. Your offer must be clear, and this is where many people get it wrong. Your product is not the same as your offer. Your offer is the full reason people should buy from you. Your offer answers questions like, what exactly am I selling? Who is this for? What problem does it solve? What result does it help them get? Why should they care? Why should they buy now? When these things are not in place, people become confused. If those things are not clear, your ad will struggle because ads do not magically fix big offers. If the offer is confusing, the ad becomes expensive. If the offer is weak, people click and do nothing. If the offer is not attractive, even good creatives will not save it. That is why before you run an ad, I want you to be clear on your offer first. Now, what is a strong offer? Example, I sell e-commerce products. This is how you should actually frame it. I help businesses. I help busy people solve everyday problems with practical products that saves time, reduce stress, and make life easy. If I say we sell fashion items, that is weak. But if I say we sell affordable premium fashion pieces for people who want to look confident and stylish without overspending, that is strong. If I say I sell health products, that is too plain, it's too vague. But if I say we help women protect and maintain their hair with simple products designed for everyday use, now that is clear. The clearer my offer is, the easier my ads become. A confused mind does not act. So, before you run your ads, your offer must be clear. Now, let's go to stage two. My structure and funnel must be clear. And all what this means is, what path am I taking my customer through? What is the journey am I passing them through? What are the steps are they going through? Do they go to WhatsApp? Do they go to a landing page? Do they go to a product page? Do they book a call? Do they fill a form? Do they watch a webinar? Do they go straight to a checkout? Now, these things have to be very clear. Now, when you know your path, it becomes easier because ads are not supposed to do all the work. The ad gets their attention, the funnel continues the persuasion. So if the ad is good, but the next step is weak, you still lose money. So what's the next step? Now, before that, look at examples of um, your funnel part. All right, you can send your traffic through ads, WhatsApp, conversion, and then payment. Maybe ads, landing page, checkout and purchase, or ads, opt-in page, webinar, application, call and close. Add, product page, cart and checkout. Now, your funnel, your customer journey is very important because it is actually your customer journey that determines the experience your customer have while they go through those stages before they make their buying decision. For some businesses, the path may be ads to WhatsApp, then conversion. For coaches, it can be opt-in page, then webinar, then application. For e-commerce, it may be to product page, then cart, then checkout. Now, at this point, before I run an ad, I need to know the path clearly. Now, this next stage is very important. Your campaign strategy. It has to be clear. Your campaign strategy has to be clear. What this means is, what are you trying to achieve with your ad? What exactly are you trying to achieve with the ad you are running? Are you trying to get leads? Are you trying to generate sales? Are you trying to get engagement? Are you trying to get messaging? Because the strategy you use, your campaign strategy determines the system you set in place. I should not choose campaign objective randomly. I should choose the one that best suits the goal for your business. If you want purchase, you should build towards sales. If you want leads, build towards leads. If you want engagement for social proof, build towards engagement. But strategy also means I must know what I am testing. Now, this is where a lot of people get it all wrong. This They test everything at once. They change the audience, the creative, the headline, the offer, the copy, the budget, the landing page, all at the same time. Testing all these things, trying to get the ones that works, but it doesn't work like that. Then when they do all these things and then they see results, it's difficult for them to know, okay, which one is even working, and even to get to the stage whereby they scale the ad. So most times, one of the first things you want to test is the creative and the hook. There's a reason why. I will share it now in some minutes with us. The reason why you test the creative and the hook. Because if the creative does not catch attention, people will not stop. And if the hook does not spark curiosity or spark or speak to the right pain point, people will not click. So first, you want to test what gets attention, what creates curiosity, what makes people want to know more. Now, your numbers are giving you clue. If your click-through rate is low, it means your hook or message is weak. If your cost per click is high, it means the ad is not attracting enough interest. If people are clicking but not buying, it means the problem is your offer, the page, or your funnel, or it can be your audience fit. So instead of panicking, what you want to do is read the story, read the numbers. They will always give you clue to what you need to do. Now, when you are getting your copy angles, in order to what first these angles, the hooks and the angles, to be able to attract the best fit for your business, what you want to test is you choose a good angle. For example, the pain angle, desire angle, mistake angle, opportunity angle, and proof angle. Let me give an example. Are you trying to spend more money on ads with no sales? You see, it speaks to somebody in pain. Now, how to generate more leads and sales without increasing ad budget? That's another angle. These things can be applied in any businesses, any niche. I'm telling you, and it works. It works very well. So, using different angles helps you to present your hook in different angles so that you can what attract the right audience and the right people. Now, let me say something important here. Your headline should be clear, but your description should be short. I do not want to overload the description in such a way that people don't even are not able to read it. But I'm going to show us practically once I go into the practical section how to put your description well so that it gets you the right result. All right, it should be short, simple, and supportive. And so, for example, let's say for instance you are running an ad and you are setting up an ad. I want to put in a description. Excuse me. So put in something that can actually relate, something that, take for instance, a unique system you've gained or an example that have actually worked for your business before, or something short that clearly declares what your offer is all about. Okay? Now, so let's move to the fourth stage. This is the ad structure. This simply means how am I arranging my campaign, my ad set, and my ads. And this depends on what I want to test. We already talked about testing. Do you understand? So this testing is what will help you get the best of what your result. Now, in setting up your structure, it determines the kind of testing you do. So if you want to test one simple idea, you can use one campaign, one ad set, one ad. If you want to test two creative with the same audience, you can use one campaign, one ad set, and two ads. If you want to test two or three different audiences with the same creative, you can use one campaign, two or three ad sets, and keep the ad similar. So this helps your structure to become very, very good. So this is an example of the structure and how it works. As a beginner, you want to keep it simple. What you're going to be testing is just use something simple and test variables one after another. By doing that, it will help you get what is working and be able to scale faster, which is what will now bring us to the next stage and the last stage, which is scaling and budget. Now, this stage, most people never really win big with ads because they never scale properly. They may find out one ad is working a little bit, but they never scale it well. Scaling means increasing results from what is already working. Now, there are different ways to scale. There's a vertical scaling where you increase your budget on what is already working. There's an horizontal scaling where sometimes people say you duplicate, you do all those things, take a winning idea, expand and all that, produce more of those ads for it to be working. Yeah, there are still people who get results from that, but the most important is the third system, which is the automated AI scaling. And this is also the system where Facebook AI system do the heavy lifting for you. Once you give it the strong signals and strong foundation, it does every single thing for you. Now, I want to talk about something else again. Now, budgeting is one of the things a lot of people actually don't have, and I've noticed it over time. You don't budget work. Take for instance now, in some businesses, the usual budget scaling I usually start with is 30% for testing. You have to test. Take for instance, you are spending 100,000 naira. 30,000 naira should go into testing, 40,000 naira should go into scaling, and then 30,000 naira again should go into retargeting. All right. Now, the exact numbers may change depending on the business, but the principle is powerful. I shouldn't put all my money into testing forever. I should know how much I am using to find winning ads, how much I am using to push winning ads. That is where I go challenges offers. I notice a lot of system better input. If my offer is weak, AI cannot say that. If my funnel is poor, AI cannot automatically or fully fix it for you. If my creative are boring, AI cannot magically turn them into winning ads. So it is better you build a strong foundation. The better AI can help you, the better your scaling and your ads will work very, very well. So that's why today our the real advantage is not just in using AI tools. The real advantage is in knowing how to combine strategies with AI. So now let me show you how AI helps at each stage. AI, help, AI helps to create clarity around what I'm selling. AI helps to structure my offer better. It also helps to understand my audience and what they care about. Helps to create better copies, better headline, and better creatives. It also helps to do what? Think through campaign strategies, help you to review wrong and unproven methods. AI also helps you with assisting with a lot of other things. Okay, so which we are going to go into it now. Now, AI can help you structure your ads in ways you cannot actually fathom. And I'm telling you, so I'm going to be doing a live demonstration and I'll be showing us. At the end of this particular webinar, every single person who attended is going to be getting the Clarity AI system, which we're going to be seeing how it works now, and then Offer Stack AI system. Now, I'll show you how they work. The Clarity AI system helps you to build clarity on your business and your offer. And then the offer stacks helps you to stack in your offer that you want to do. So we are going to be going into a live demo now, and I'll be showing us first. I'll use the Clarity AI system. This is for helping me understand what I should focus on, who my real audience is, what kind of offer part makes sense, and what direction fits my business. So, if I'm confused about what to sell, how to position it, or which business structure makes more sense, this system helps me think clearly. All right. So now I'm going to be going into the comment section. I don't know. So what I want you to do right now is maybe one person the fastest finger, because I want to use someone's business here to do the live demonstration. So if you have a business you'll be running, or you have a business you are running at, can you just in the comment section type about your business, what you do? Just type it. I'll just use your business as an example. You generate the clarity system, the offer stack, and then we'll do that. Okay, so let us go into the practical step now. I don't know if you are still with me. If you are with me, you can type 111 in the comment section. So we can do a live demo. All right. Just describe your business. Let me use describe what you do, your business. Just describe it in the comment section. I'm going to copy it and use it to generate some of these things we just talked about right now. Okay, so that we can move on. We don't need to waste much time. So I want to do it live so that everyone can see me doing it. All right. Okay. Anyone, just send it in the comment section, or you can send it to my DM. and I'll copy it and then we work at it. Just describe your business for me in the comment section so that I can use it to set up live, because I want you to validate if actually the result you are getting here tallies with what you do. This is AI, so we're going to do it. Okay, I'll pick an example from one of the ones we already did before. Okay, let's say for instance, I'll use the hair. Okay, so even better we have someone in the live section so that we can use it. All right, I'll be sharing my screen now so that we can look at it. All right, so I want to share my screen right now. Then we can go into it immediately. Okay, I don't know if you can see my screen. If you can see my screen, just type one in the comment section. If you can see my screen, type one in the comment section. All right, everyone will be getting this particular AI powered Facebook workbook. Okay, so it will be sent to every single person. You have access to it because the whole system, the templates, and all your bonuses are right in there. And there's also a practical steps of how you can get it. All right, okay, all right. So now let's move on. So now, this is the first thing we need to do. Now, you will get access to this particular handout. So it contains every single thing, your AI prompt, every single prompt and details you need. So the first thing is, if you're having issues trying to understand who your business is and what you do, and you don't really know, because the prompt AI clarity template will help you to be clear on what you sell. So, take for instance, can someone just give me any random business? Okay, you said you use create AI models for brand to sell their product. Uh, okay, please, that's actually what I wanted. Let me use that because I just wanted to use something. This can you be clear? You use what? What do you use? I can't hear them well, but I actually want to assume that we sell affordable premium product, but let me not be very detailed. Let me use it in such a way. Let's say the business, we don't really know what they do, but let's just say uh, we sell fashion product. Let me use it like that because the AI can help us, get very clear details on what we do. Okay, so I'm going to say we sell affordable fashion. We sell affordable fashion products. So I just want you to see how easy it is to use this particular system. All right. So you'll be having access to it. So what you do now, the first thing you do is open your ChatGPT. Okay. I believe you can still hear me. You open your ChatGPT. All right. You go to your workbook. Okay. This is the business intelligent extraction prompt. Now, this will help you become clear on what your business is and your structure is, and you can use it. So the first thing you want to do is what? You copy it. Okay, just copy it. Once you copy it like this, come to ChatGPT. You say, you paste what you do. You paste the prompt. All right, you paste the prompt. Once you paste it, you come down. Okay, and you say, in your business. So we sell we sell affordable fashion products, and then you send it. Now it's going to actually generate um, a well detailed plan about your business, and then that is now where you come to your clarity prompt. Now this prompt is for clarity to show you. It's called the Business Clarity AI Navigator. All right. So to show you exactly um, how to be clear on the business you do and every other thing. So let's look at it. All right, so it has done that. So now I said, so it gave us a prompt. Now to just do this thing automatically for you. If you read through now, you will see a lot of open spaces not provided. You see there, but now what you will notice is it will help you build something streamlined. Now this one will even give you a detail of what your business do. All right. Now, what you do is what? Just copy this one. All right, just copy it. It has given you. You see, I didn't start going in detail about what my business does and all those things. So, but now, if you have this particular system and you're using it, just you can just go and copy all the data about your business and drop it there, or you type as much as possible, feed it in. Remember and understand that AI is as good as the kind of as much information you give it to work with. All right, in this one, I just typed um, we sell affordable fashion product. That's it. So, do you understand? So now it is not the AI that help me get clarity on exactly what to do. So, what do I do? Now, it has given me the business clarity. Now, the next thing I go to the prompt template, I copy this for the clarity. Now, this is when I don't know, I'm not clear on the business I do or exactly who I should be targeting, who I not should be, when I'm not clear, this is what I do first. Now, I do this for a lot of businesses. Before I begin to run out of it, I make sure I get clarity first. Now, we've done that. Now, what you now do is, after you've gotten the business details here, you come here and say, use this use this prompt to give me a use this prompt to give me a prompt on the clarity of my business so I can paste in the AI clarity assist, assistance. Okay, now it's going to use this particular prompt now to give you clarity. So what you do is, before you paste it first, put a quote. Okay, put a quote. Then you now paste it. And this is the one we copied for clarity. Now under it, you come under use the business details below. Use the business details below and fill up the next the required areas for my business. So once you come down, you put your quotes, and then this second one, you've copied it, right? This one here that has the detail of your business, fashion retail, affordable fashion products, men of affordable clothing. So we didn't give it a full detail, but it has already added clothing. So if clothing is not what you do, you just tell it, just give it a more detailed prompt, and it will give you very good. I'm telling you, it will give you very good answer. So once you paste, Control V. Now you've pasted it, then you now tell it to give you the clarity prompt with my business details inside. Do you understand? Then you send. And immediately, what it does is it just feeds the business intelligent extraction, extracts the details, all the details about your business, feed it to the clarity prompt, and gives you that prompt, and then you copy it. Now, everyone will be getting access to it. So this is actually the clarity AI system, assistant system. Now, it was built in such a way that it helps you get clarity on your business. As you can see, it says stop overthinking and start earning. All right, so everyone will get access to it after the class. So what you do is you come in there, you paste that particular prompt, and then you send it. This is where the magic happens. Immediately, it just brings out every single thing you need to focus on your business. I'll read out some of the things there. Even though we started vague, all right, even though we started vague, all right, so but to streamline it to a very, very, very good point. Okay, now let's see. Okay, now this thing is very direct. You say you do not need a bigger business right now. You need a clearer one. So he said become known for one type of affordable fashion for one type of buyer, not fashion for everyone. I used fashion for everyone. Just let's just read that now. On a normal, if you had sent this to the normal ChatGPT, it will tell you, fashion, yes, fine. But this one is giving you clarity. It's giving you clarity. If you read through, you just see that wow, this is, you see, it will give you exactly affordable stylish outfit under your price range, weekly new arrival. So it gives you clarity on what problem are you solving. In problem language, you help women look stylish without spending too much time or money. That's the problem. Are you see? it begins to give you like things you didn't even think of. I'm telling you, just feed it everything about your business. It will just help you get clarity on every single thing you do. See, it even gave you a funnel system. So what this does is it gives you a funnel. So it's that simple direct sales part. It gives you the tool. So what you should stop doing and stop overthinking is the perfect niche and all that. So it just gives you this thing straight up, and you have access to them. Now we go to the next AI assistant. So what this thing does is very very wonderful. So go back to your workbook, the offer stack. Now what you will notice is this other one didn't give you an offer, but this particular prompt template is going to help you craft a very good offer. Hmm? Now you copy it. Now you go to the AI assistant. I mean the AI clarity assistant you used. All you do is you say using the details in here for my, just put using the clarity details here for my business. Okay. um Fill the necessary. This clarity is what you use to get a good offer. Use the required. I think, can you still hear me? Can you still hear me? Okay, I don't know if, can you please let me confirm if you can still hear me? Okay, so I need to, so let's continue. Let's continue. So let's continue. Now, so you see, what you now do here is fill the fill the required business information in the prompt below and give me back the prompt with the business details. So now this is for clarity. Okay. So what do? You paste it. You paste the prompt you copied for the offers, and then you send it. Now what it will now do is to now take this clarified business details it got and feed it into your um, offer prompt. Now, as you can see, it has done that. Business type, fashion retail, online clothing business. As you can see, are you seeing low mid range, expect pricing, dressing, match set? See, now these are the things we did not come up with. These are the things we did not what come up with, but it has done that for us. So what do I do? I'll copy this, and then now this is the offer. All right, one of the Alex Mozy money model AI system. Now here it helps you to craft compelling offer. All you just do is come here and you paste it in. So once you paste it, it gives you mouth watering, mind blowing offer. I'm telling you. Are you seeing something here now? Premium offer name the effortless style system. One sentence offer promise. Look stylish every day without thinking, styling stress or overspending. Call transformation. I have clothes but nothing to wear. Are you seeing the conversion here? This is something you will not on the map before you think all these things, it takes time. Now so I can get dressed in minutes and look put together every day. Are you seeing? Now this is value stack. Gave you value stack. Now you have all this. These are the things you take. All right. Look at it. He said you are not affordable clothing store. You are a ready-to-wear outfit system for women who want to look good without thinking. Please, where did we start this particular business from? From just a fashion brand. We sell affordable fashion brand, and now look at, we've gotten to a clear offer. Now this is where your ads begin to make sense, because when you run your ads you begin to target people who are really in this. Now if you take this now, tell it to generate for you Can anyone hear me? Sorry, our network had issues. Okay, if you are still here, let me know. All right. Um, so we had a break in network. So I think all we're going to do now is close it up here and we'll continue from where we stop. Okay, we're going to continue from where we stop. All right, thank you so much for coming in for this section today. So tomorrow we continue exactly from where we stop. So we're in the live demonstration section. So what will happen tomorrow? All right, or we'll just fix a time and we'll finish up the class. So I'll see you in the next class. We'll start straight from here, live demonstration. All right. Have a wonderful day. Bye.